The hell is that?
My ass.
Es tut mir leid.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy.
Hey! What? Raymond.
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
Whew, I'm hungry. Let me see. Stand up.
I'll be sharing my love of doing voices in unusual places. And all of the voices you are gonna hear during my performance will be coming from me.
What's wrong with you that you are so intimidated by this? This is the face of your bully.
Let him down. All right, let me just tell you, timing is everything. She's looking forward now. You getting ready? That's what I'm talking about right there. Yes, doing a little piggy dive in the pellet for you.
Принеси туалетную бумагу.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
you fuss. Yeah.
So, you got a girlfriend?
Dang, we be feeding that cat.
Welcome to Barnes and No! Where did it go?
Olha aqui. O pombo, o serviço e o ninho.
Indy, your friends want to know how you open the door. Can you open the door for Charlie? Good girl. Good job. Oh, straight. Charlie.
¿De qué vergas lloras? Todo el puto día llorando.
Cat. Oh, you come back for more?
What are you talking about?
Ahí estamos con la cachicari.
Colgando del techo.
Colgando del techo, así de literal. Colgando.
He's on a mission. Ready to check out?
Honey, it's okay. It's okay.
Noodle, are you a cat? You are? Okay.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus.
What do you have in your mouth? Give me the cat hair.
I don't
Unsnap.
care. I don't care.
Okay.
I really don't give a I really don't.
Exactly. All right.
I'm not.
Where's the serotonin, you bitch?
You ready, Maui?
Hey! Can you stop? What are you doing? Thank you.
You want it?
It's a freaking shark with a freaking laser beam attached to its freaking
cats make it the biggest deal in the world to like show their toes? Show me your toe. Show me your toe. What's the big deal? What are you hiding in there? Show it to me. Show it to me. What's that so hard? Well, why is it? Why are you such a little?
You just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop! Drop down. Snap.
The big toes to touch at the back of our space. We're going to inhale the left leg up towards the ceiling, three-legged dog. And then start to bend into that leg. And we're going to open up to the left side, maybe peeking underneath our left armpit.
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
Holy smokes, dude. My cut is insane. Shout out to my barber.
Okay, so we finally have a collar, and William's trying to get Blue Violet to come on a walk. Come on, guys, then. And Blue Violet's pretending to be dead. That's it. You're a good big brother. Blue Violet, you need to come, sweetheart. Mother. Mummy. Mother. Mummy. I know, I've got cheese in there. All right, come on, guys. Grab the lead. No. Grab the lead. You're the big brother. Grab it. There you go. Come on, mate. Come on. Just pull her along. Grab her. All right, Mum. Watch your head. Jesus, William.
William wants to
Sorry, Mum.
Stop it.
Stop pretending to be dead, Blue Violet.
It's
Blue Violet. Blue Violet. Mummy! I know. Blue Violet. I'm dead! I know. I know.
Tractor, washing machine, car, num num, David, Crigwelly.
Oh, shit.
Them self-defense classes working.
Fuck me in a movie! Get your ass to sleep.
Here's Miguel. Here's Miguel. Here's Miguel. Here's Miguel.
Can you come here? I gotta tell you something. I gotta tell you something. Can you sit? Good. You're adopted. I'm sorry.
I switched the kitten's wet food. Cold turkey did not transition at all, and I am paying the price. Don't. Are you okay? Does anyone need a lamp? It's free.
Oh, why do your feet look like that? Oh, is that right? It's a right angle, my dude.
Don't be on the floor. Use that come up.
Does that taste great? Yeah. Pretty gross, huh?
Again, use your body weight to push the dough into itself. You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with, but don't overdo it or you'll throw off the balance of flour, yeast, salt, and water. Repeat this kneading action, turning, kneading,